Today I'm making some pizzaiola sauce. Pizzaiola sauce is a tomato sauce with anchovies and capers, black olives, garlic, bits and bobs like that. It's the normal sauce really that goes onto pizzas, but this is for steaks. First of all, I make a tomato sauce and then finish it off. So watch this. Right, we're starting off by making a simple tomato sauce. A couple of tablespoonfuls of olive oil. Then we add a small onion finely chopped. Add the garlic. Couple of bay leaves, and we add some tomatoes. This is a tin of chopped tomatoes in their own juice. So nothing wrong with using tin tomatoes. If you fancy making with fresh tomatoes, help yourself. I'll add a drop of water. And cover the pan and cook for about 20 minutes. Right, it's about 20 minutes gone now. We'll season it with black pepper and salt. Put your parsley and a pinch of oregano. Give it 2-3 minutes and it's ready. Right, it's time to cook our rump steak now. I've heated the pan, added some oil. We won't season it until we turn it over, because otherwise the juice will be drawn out and it will boil in its own juices. Salt and pepper. Depending on how you like it, medium rare, I would say a couple of minutes on each side. Yeah, done. Leave it to rest. And now we proceed to finish off the sauce. So the sauce is pizzaiola. Now pizzaiola, it comes from the word pizza really. It's the taste of a Neapolitan pizza. And most Neapolitan pizzas include tomatoes. So we put a bit of tomato sauce in the pan, in the hot pan. And we add a couple of anchovy fillets, some capers, and some sliced black olives. Then we return the steak to the sauce, very low heat for about a minute or so. Juices. The anchovies themselves, they'll melt as they get hot. Fresh parsley. And there we are, 1 minute in the sauce. And you can serve the steak with the sauce on the Taste test. Medium rare. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and tell your friends about it so that you'll be able to see other videos of very simple dishes to cook at home. Thank you.